Screen
Yeah, sir.
okay. Okay. Good evening, students. There are lots of controversy regarding this timing because to my team only I have discussed and decide the time. But let's see today's present. And dear student, please enter online lecture by only 4-digit standard division and 2-digit roll number. Okay, problem set third geometry. Uh, Total 12 very important point I have given that three theorem perpendicular drawn on a chord bisect the chord. Two tangent segment from outside the center to the circle, outside the circle are congruent. Third one, cyclic quadrilateral. When a quadrilateral is cyclic, opposite, the sum of opposite angle is 180. Then inscribe angle theorem, on circle, in circle, out circle. That 3 points. Then 2 second intersecting internally, externally, and when is secant, one is tangent. Third, angle formed by intersection of two lines on a circle, inner circle and outside the circle. So these are the 12 point very important cream part of this chapter. MCQs we have completed. Now question number 4. In question number 4, what it is given? It is giving A, B, C, and this one is O, and they have given this and these are equal. We have to prove that quadrilateral A, B, O, C is square. We have to prove A, B, O, C, it is a square. Point number 1. OB is equal to OC, radii of same circle. Reason, OA is equal to OB. And second, AB is equal to AC. Two tangent segment for a same circle. These two are equal and these two are equal. Now they have given AB is equal to OB. If this equal to this equal to this is x-axis first statement, y is second statement, x is equal to y is equal to, that is third statement. So x are equal, y are equal, now x and y are equal. So all four are equal. So AB is equal to BO is equal to OC is equal to AC from first, second, third. Listen, first I have written first pair these two are equal, radii This is the theorem that we have learned, that two tangent segments from outside the circle both are congruent. X equal, y equal. Then it is given that x is equal to y. So all four are equal. If all sides of quadrilaterals are equal, it is not a square, it is rhombus first. And in rhombus, if a single angle is 90 degrees, then it is a square. All sides are equal, therefore it is a rhombus. But if any single angle of 4 out of 4, then it is a square. So we can write measure angle B or measure angle C is equal to 90. Why? Tangent radii perpendicular theorem. For any tangent, radii are always perpendicular. So in rhombus, single angle is 90 degrees, then it is said to be square. Therefore, quadrilateral ABOC is from for example, again explanation. Statement number 1, two radii are equal. Statement number 2, two tangent segments are equal. Then point number 3, these and these are given equal. This equal to this, so automatically this equal to this. So all four are equal. If all four sides are equal, then it is said to be rhombus. Then I have proved this is 90. In rhombus, any angle is 90, it is a square. Fifth one, make triple star. In a calculation, they have asked this many times. Circle touching to this side. This is A, B, C, D, and touching point E, F, G, H. It is given that AE 4.5. Then EB 5.5. It is a parallelogram. We have to find AD. This is parallelogram. But first we will use this property. For the circle, from outside the point, two tangents are drawn that are equal. So we will start from A point. AE is equal to AH is equal to 4.5. Then B. BE is equal to BF, that is 5.5. This 4.5 So this 4.5, this 5.5, this 5.5. Now from A common, B common, now C common, then D common. From C, CF, CG, D, DH, DG. So this is X, X, this is Y, Y. What is the reason? Common reason you can write. Two tangents drawn to a circle from outside the point. From a point. Which is outside the circle, outside the circle or outside the circle. Correct. Now it is given that quadratic ABCD is parallelogram. ABCD is parallelogram means what? Opposite sides are equal. Means what? AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Correct. So AB means what? 4.5 plus 5.5 is equal to X plus Y. AD means 4.5 plus Y. BC means what? 5.5 plus X. So this is 10. This comes this side. 4.5 minus 5.5 is equal to X minus Y. So minus 1 only. Now you know X plus Y. Now you know X minus Y. So by simultaneous, you have to solve the equation. So X plus Y is equal to 10. X minus Y is equal to minus 1. So by adding this, so 2x, it is 9. We are adding, but 10 plus minus 1 is equal to 9. 2x is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 by 2. That is 4.5. X is equal to 4.5. X is equal to 4.5. But we know that x plus y is equal to how much? 10. So 4.5 plus how much is equal to 10? So y is equal to 10 minus 4.5 is equal to 5.5. Now you got y, 5.5, 5.5. Now final question is AD. AD is made up of what? AD means AH plus HD. So 4.5 plus 5.5 is equal to 10 centimeters. Again, this is 4.5, so this is also 4.5. This is 5.5, so this is 5.5. This is X, this is X. This is Y, so this is Y. 4 pair I have written equal. This question is, reason is same. From outside the circle, two tangent segments are drawn that are equal. These are equal, these are equal, these are equal, these are equal. Now it is a parallelogram. So this is equal to this. Then this is equal to this. I have substituted. So this is a direct total. This is indirect. So x minus y, 4.5 minus 5.5. Correct? So it is minus 1. So this is first equation. This is second equation. This goes down. Correct? So y cancel, 2x is equal to 9. 2 goes down. Half of 9 is equal to 4.5. Now that is x. X is equal to 4.5. Y. So y 10 minus 4.5. 10 minus 4.5 is equal to 5.5. So x I have substituted. Y I have substituted. Now I want AD. So that is AH plus HD. So 4.5 plus 5.5 is equal to 10. Sixth. Okay, next question. See this. One circle center is M, small that is N, S, R, T. Longest radii is 9. Small radii, NS. Very intelligent diagram. This is M, this is R, this is S, T, N. So this much is 9. So this much also 9. Now I have drawn circle like this. And this much is also radii. Correct? So small radii is 2.5. 2.5. This is 9 minus 2.5. How much? 6.5. This is 90 degrees. The square of this plus square of this is equal to square of this. Now, write very systematically. NS is equal to NT is equal to 2.5 centimeters. MR is equal to MT is equal to 6.5 centimeters. This is equal to this. This is equal to this. Radii of same circle. Correct? So Tm is equal to Tn plus Nm. 6.5 is equal to Tn means 2.5 Nm. addition of segment, substitution.
So 10 minutes left.
9, sorry, this is 9. So 9 minus 2.5 NN. Simplify. 6.5. Substitution. Subtraction. Simplify. Now, NS perpendicular to RM. Tangent, radii, perpendicular theorem. So, in right angle triangle, NSM Sn square plus Sn square is equal to Mn square. Sn, that is radii. Sn we don't know. This we got 6.5 square. This gets this side. By Pythagoras theorem, by substituting. Correct? So Sn square, A square minus B square means 1 time plus, 1 time minus, 1 time plus, 1 time minus. So the total is 9. Difference is 4. So Sn square 36. Sn is equal to plus or minus 6. But we have to take the segment. So the question is, so Sn is 6. So there are different questions. Question number first, empty. So empty is what? This is equal to 9. Radii of bigger circle. Mn. Mn that we got 6.5 centimeter. Find the measurement of NSM. NSM. Again, I want to explain. Both are 9, sorry. 9, 9. Now from here, one circle is drawn. Correct? That is 2.5. 2.5, 2.5. From this 2.5 cut 6.5. And this is 90. This is x. X square plus 2.5 square is equal to 6.5 square. Here it is equal to. Correct. So x square 2.5 square means 5 5s are 25. 2 next number 2 3s are 6. 6.25. This is plus. 5 5s are 25. 6 next number 7. 6 7s are 42. This comes this side. $25 gone. 42 minus 6. 36. Correct. Next. Correct. XA YB. Z to prove that XA parallel to YB. Very easy. See stepwise. This is X and X. Why? X is equal to X, vertically opposite. In this triangle, these are two radii. So this is isosceles triangle. So this is equal to this. In this triangle, these and these are equal because isosceles triangle. So again, this is equal to this. Now this is equal to this. So it is Z. X. These two are parallel, alternate. Again, first step, this equal to this, vertically opposite. Then I will prove this is isosceles, therefore this is equal to this. Then I will prove this is isosceles triangle, so this is equal to this. So all four angles are equal. So this and this also equal. And if these two are equal, it is Z. Converse of alternate theorem. If it is parallel, alternate are congruent. If alternate are congruent, so first, angle XZA is equal to angle VZY. Simple, I would write A, vertically opposite angle. Second, because X is already used. Next, in triangle XZ, XZ is equal to XA, radii of same circle. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle XZA is equal to A. Isosceles triangle. Fourth, this side. In triangle BYZ, YZ is equal to YB is equal to radii of same circle. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle